Power transmission and distribution is one of the many areas in which Siemens is an innovative and energetic worldwide leader. A true global player, with a local presence in more than 190 countries. As a total solution provider, Siemens delivers a comprehensive range of trend-setting technologies and services for a safe and resource-preserving energy supply. High and medium voltage switchgear, protection and control systems, transformers, and system planning. The development of the Siemens 8D type range of gas-insulated switchgear, which commenced about 40 years ago, is a remarkable success story in its own right.
Today, 8D type switchgear for applications ranging from 72.5 kV to 550 kV, with sulfur hexafluoride as insulating and arc-quenching medium, deliver outstanding performance in more than 17,000 bays worldwide, at very high mean time between failure rates.
The very first 8D-type gas-insulated switchgear, commissioned in Berlin in 1968, is still operating to the full satisfaction of the customer. An extraordinary proof of the outstanding quality of Siemens switchgear. The compact, modular 8D-N9 switchgear for rated voltages of up to 300 kV is the logical continuation of the 8D-N9 type range, which was launched nearly 10 years ago. Designed for both indoor as well as outdoor applications, it meets all requirements of state-of-the-art switchgear. Outstanding efficiency, thanks to highly consolidated design, effortless installation and maintenance, a long service life, and low life cycle costs. This makes the 8D-N9 switchgear a most convincing solution. Thanks to low noise and field emission levels, it can even be employed in sensitive environments like residential quarters and city centers. The modular design of the 8D-N9 switchgear for voltages up to 300 kV is based upon a small number of central modules. Paying attention to conspicuity rather than to the actual current flow, there are the integrated local control cubicle. It contains all equipment necessary for control and monitoring. It also serves as the interface between the switchgear and the substation control and protection room. Passive busbar modules without any electrical and mechanical activity guarantee reliable operation and make busbar failures more than unlikely throughout the entire lifetime of the switchgear. Furthermore, during extension or maintenance works, at least one busbar remains in service. The circuit breaker module, which contains the interrupter unit, is the central element of the gas-insulated switchgear. The spring-stored energy mechanism provides the force for opening and closing the circuit breaker for a short-circuit breaking current of 63 kA within only 2 cycles. Disconnecting and earthing are integrated in one multifunctional module, which is used for busbar switching as well as for cable, overhead line, and transformer termination. Earthing and short-circuiting system components like overhead lines, cables, and transformers after isolation can be performed through either a work-in-progress switch or a high-speed earthing switch. Thanks to large viewports, the position of either the disconnector or the earthing switch is easily visible in any case. The current transformer, available as either inside or outside SF6 core inductive transformer, serves various measuring and protection purposes. Voltage transformers, usually of inductive type, are also used for measuring and protection tasks. The cable termination module links the gas-insulated switchgear with a high-voltage cable. This module is the transition point from the sulfur hexafluoride gas insulation to other insulation media. It can be fitted with a conventionally fixed cable connection or with a modern dry plug-in cable connection. To provide for maximum versatility, a number of additional connecting and termination modules are available. With 8DN9 gas-insulated switchgear for voltages up to 300 kV, all standard circuit configurations can be realized according to customer specifications. It is applicable even for indoor and outdoor use. The 8DN9 gas-insulated switchgear guarantees best value for money thanks to its state-of-the-art technology based on well-proven modules and components, its high reliability and availability, outstanding operating safety, its extremely durable and virtually maintenance-free passive busbar, the possibility to exchange the circuit breaker module during operation of the switchgear, its corrosion-proof aluminum enclosures, its high degree of operating safety thanks to a seamless enclosure surface and high dielectric safety, short erection and commissioning time due to complete pre-assembled and pre-tested bays, its high degree of gas tightness, which provides for environmental friendliness, almost negligible maintenance, its long service life, low life cycle costs, type approval and certifications to the latest IEC and IEEE standards. Like every other Siemens gas-insulated switchgear, the 8DN9 switchgear is certified to the latest ISO 9001 and 14001 standard. It is type-tested according to the latest IEC and IEEE standards at independent testing laboratories.
Siemens.